Yeah, it's my first time in China and the first time I'm working with you. I have a really good feeling right now because I was not thinking about what's expecting me here, but what I see, I really like it, and yeah, it's pretty good in my opinion.
We chose SUBLISTAR because we know that your goods will continue to receive functional upgrades and run reliably.
So this meant that the SUBLISTAR machine, from not knowing anything to where we are now, it was very easy.
The performance of SUBLISTAR products is very stable.